Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to just get straight into it. Now we all know social media can be completely deceiving. And what you see on social media isn't really what is portrayed in the real world. So today in this video what I'm going to be showing you is all of the imperfections that's on this E90. And I mean I'm going to go through as much as I can that you can actually see what is wrong or the minor imperfections that's in this car. Now there are a lot of things that go right, but there's also a lot of things that are not as to quite the high standard as what I would like it to be. Now bearing in mind this is just personal things, this may not always happen to your car, whatever, but this is all the things that are on my car. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I want to give a massive thank you to each and every one of you for sticking through this journey. The first imperfection that I can think of is the imperfections in the actual wrap itself. Now there are a lot of places where the vinyl is actually creasing and it's actually peeling off and getting cut in certain places, but that will have to be addressed another time where I actually get some new vinyl to actually re-put on the car. It's going to be the same design, but it's just to address those imperfections. So I'm going to show you all guys all of this while it's going on, and then we can talk about the rest of it. Another imperfection that I've noticed is a couple of years back, we say about almost a year and a half back, there was a heavy rainstorm and we couldn't actually see what was actually going on the road, and I hit a pothole on the front left tire. The tire is actually fine, but it actually did damage the rim in a small spot, so you can actually see that right now. It's not that bad, the wheels are still perfectly in good order, but it's just that little curb rash that's actually annoying me. So that's one of the imperfections. Another imperfection that has just happened, it was actually yesterday afternoon that this happened, and I'd like to show you what it is. So that's what's working and that isn't. So the actual bulb is burnt off, and that just happened yesterday. So I'm looking for a replacement. I'm probably going to go LED or something, but yeah, that just happened, so I need to replace that. Another one of the imperfections is in a previous video I've tinted the taillights, and ever since then, I'm not sure if you can actually see this, it's actually flaking and peeling and it's wrinkling up in the areas that are here. From quite far you can't really make it out, but when you get up close to the vehicle then you can actually see it's actually just there. Now this will need to be redone at time, but I just need to get some time to actually do it. So it's not actually a big thing, but it's there and it's kind of annoying. So now while we're at the front of the vehicle, you can actually see the rear backing of the number plate is actually detaching, so I need to get a new one of that as soon as possible. I don't want to have any problems with the law and everything. But as you can also see over here, the bumper is actually broken. It has a major crack in it that I will need to get replaced or repaired, but I want to get a new bumper if I can, so that it actually changes the look of the car. Most probably it'll be an M3 style bumper or an LCI bumper, but that should be set for a later stage. Now as you can see with that, it's the rear left door lock that's damaged. It locks but doesn't unlock, and that's because of the gears. Now if you want to see exactly why that happens, I've opened up the driver's door lock in a previous video. You can check that out, it's linked in the corner of the video. Now with that being said guys, that's the main concerns of the car for the interior and the exterior. You can see the interior has some minor marks over the steering wheel. It has the interior door lock that's not working properly. The exterior has a lot of flaws when it comes to the wrap and it comes to curb rash on the wheels, as well as the number plates, the tail light tint, whatever, but that's all self-inflicted because of wear and tear. Now not all modifications are going to be 100% sturdy, but that's how it goes. You know, things will need to be changed, things will obviously have to be repaired. But I'm looking forward to the entire journey. I am trying to push as much as I can, because in June there's a major show that's happening and I want to have this car on display. So fingers crossed I get everything sorted out for there, and hopefully get to show you guys the experience of bringing this car back to its former glory and having the car on display. So that's the ultimate goal, and hope to bring you guys along the journey so you can see it through. Now I would be making a follow-up video with regards to this, and I'll also be doing some follow-up video with regards to imperfections on maintenance wise. I have been asked a lot of questions as to what does the maintenance cost on the car. and what things I have done before. So I want to make a complete video on that in the future. So subscribe to the channel if you want to see that. Leave a like on this video if you enjoyed the video, and again a massive thank you to every single one of you for all the likes, the shares, the comments. It really means a lot to me. Now I would be making follow-up videos regards to all of this, as well as more videos regarding this E90 and whatever else I can think of. So I hope you guys stick around for it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Thank you so much for everything again, and I hope you guys see you soon. I'm sweating like hell, it is hot, and I'm going to go edit this video. So thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you guys soon. Peace.